To get started on the PRM4U website, you need to complete the registration process. To do this, click on the Get Started or Register button. On the registration page, you'll need to fill in all the required fields, including your username, email, Skype, Telegram, and password twice. You should also check the I'm not a robot box. Afterward, click the registration button. You will receive an email with a confirmation link for your email address associated with your account. Click on the link to confirm. Once you've logged into your personal account, click on the New Order menu item. Then, select a social network from the options provided. If you click on Subscriptions, you'll have the opportunity to create tasks for future posts, likes, views, and more. Money will be deducted from your balance as the posts are published. In the Mass Order tab, you can create bulk orders. Use the search field to find a service by its ID. To create an order, you need to find the ID of the desired service. Here's how it works: find the ID of the service you need, such as Instagram or any other service. Then, go to the Mass Order section, enter the service ID, link, and quantity, and click Create. This way, you can create tasks in bulk. You can also find the service ID in the Services section. Click on this section and type, for example, Instagram. You'll see the service Instagram likes with ID 2233. You can use this ID for mass orders. All your orders are stored in the My Orders section. The process is straightforward. To get started, you need to fund your account by clicking on the Add Funds button. Here, you select the payment system, enter the amount, and receive a bonus according to the table after topping up your account. Then, go to the New Order tab and perform the necessary actions. Choose the desired social network, like Instagram or any other, and create a new order, e.g., for Instagram likes. Here, you'll see the price and speed. Enter your Instagram link and the desired quantity. Click Create. The PR VIP tab helps PRM4U system clients save money. Here, you'll find attractive offers, and statuses are given based on the total amount spent by the client. Additionally, there's an affiliate program that allows you to earn extra money, which can be used for creating orders or withdrawn. To start earning, copy the appropriate link in the affiliate program section. Share it with your friends and colleagues. When they register and promote their projects, you'll earn commissions. If you need assistance, visit the support section and ask your question by clicking on the relevant button. You can also find contact information, including Telegram, email, WhatsApp, and Skype. That's all, friends. Thank you for your attention.